When is spring? Spring happens at different times of the year in different parts of the world. In the northern half of the world, spring lasts from March to June. In the southern half, it lasts from September to December. During the spring, the days grow longer. Day by day, the sun rises earlier and sets later. In the spring, the days begin to get warmer, but the weather can still change a lot. Some days can be very cold, and some can be quite warm. It is often very windy. Early spring days can see lots of rain showers. What happens in spring? Animals in spring. In the winter, there is less food available for wildlife, so many mammals, birds and insects spend the winter asleep. This is called hibernation. Some birds fly to a warmer country for the winter. This is called migration. When spring comes and the days grow longer, the weather warms up. Animals in hibernation become active again. Birds that have migrated return home. Do New Zealand animals hibernate or migrate? Hibernation and migration is common in countries that are very cold in the winter. New Zealand has a climate that is more moderate. Hedgehogs in central and southern New Zealand will hibernate for about 3 months, but very few hedgehogs hibernate in the warmer northern parts of the country. Introduced birds such as ducks and geese typically migrate in their country of origin, but have stopped doing so in New Zealand. Because of our warmer climate and the availability of food and shelter here over the winter months. Many animals have their young in spring. The weather is better and there is enough food around to feed their young. There will also be plenty of food during the warm summer months for the young animals to feed on. They will grow stronger before winter arrives. Grass that grows in spring is very good for animals to eat. Sheep have their lambs in spring to make the most of the good grass. Flowers in spring. In the spring, colourful flowers bloom to attract insects. Insects go from flower to feed on the flower's nectar and pollinate the flowers.